Good morning, afternoon, or whatever time your watch is stuck at. This is your ever so charming air hostess, Cutie Pie, welcoming you aboard Faltu Airlines, Flight 404, because we couldn't find Flight 405. Now please, pay attention to these very important safety instructions. Or don't. We're not your parents. Seatbelts. Please keep your seatbelts fastened at all times, unless you enjoy sudden turbulence turning you into a human projectile. If you do, we have a turbulence dance-off competition later. Oxygen masks. In the unlikely event that we remember to deploy the oxygen masks, please secure yours first before helping others. Especially that nosy auntie who keeps asking when you're getting married. Emergency exits. Our emergency exits are located somewhere. If you find them before we do, congratulations. You get a free flight next time. Just kidding. We don't do refunds. Electronic devices. Please switch off all electronic devices, except your sense of humor, because you'll need it when we serve our mystery meat. In-flight meal. Window etiquette. For your safety, do not stick your hands out of the window. Yes, Mr. Sharma, in 12A. We see you. This isn't a rickshaw ride. Lavatory rules. The yacht lavatory is for business only. No yoga, no TikTok dances, and definitely no trying to open the mid-air snack black market. Looking at you, Uncle Gupta. Lastly, if you're seated next to a crying baby, don't worry. That's just our co-pilot, practicing for his solo flight. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight, or at least pretend to, because turbulence is just Mother Nature's way of saying, surprise, work out. Thank you for choosing Faltu Airlines, where the only thing higher than our altitude is our level of confusion.